one of today's luxury lifestyle. Living in forest with all facilities and access to the biggest golf course of Turkey. The project that I present you today is located in the middle of forest, 20 minutes away from Wadi Istanbul and 15 minutes from the airport. The project is built in 3 phases on a land area of 48,000 square meters. The first phase next 6 months and next phases are ready for delivery in 1 year. All the blocks of the project are 6 floors with units of 2 to 5 bedrooms, and only 2 units are in each floor. The important point in purchasing this project is 1% tax and no document fee, and all units are suitable for obtaining citizenship. With Maya International, you can buy from this project at the best price.